Hi, I'm here to tell you about Bliss's feeder storage cart and staging station. SMT pick-and-place feeders are a huge investment and should be carefully handled and protected when stored. Bliss's feeder carts are designed to safely store feeders, typically without reels, offline in a stockroom. Only Bliss carts protect your feeder investment from physical damage by surrounding the feeder in a welded, tubular frame designed specifically for this purpose. Bliss feeder storage carts virtually eliminate damage caused by improper feeder handling. The feeders are stored on a feeder rack that are bolted into the cart frame and are adjustable. Bliss offers feeder racks for all major pick-and-place feeder brands. You can store all of your empty feeders in whatever arrangement works best for you. Generally, empty feeders are stored with all the same width and type on one shelf. Bliss feeder racks have enough space between them and are far enough apart to help minimize damage to the adjacent feeders when they are removed or inserted into the cart. At first, this may not seem space or cost efficient, but it really pays off in the long run with the huge savings in feeder repairs. Subsequently, you end up with fewer of those feeders stored in the corner that are not usable because of damage. Feeder setup is done on every feeder to put a reel of component tape onto it and to test cycle it or perform repairs. The Bliss setup rack bolts to the end of our standard feeder cart. Adding a tool panel, an adjustable work shelf, and an ESD wrist strap plug, you will have a complete feeder setup area right on the end of your Bliss feeder storage cart. This makes it easy for every operator to set up feeders more efficiently. The change out of feeders on the pick-and-place machine is typically the biggest bottleneck on the production line, as that downtime is stopping all production on the line. Our feeder staging cart won the SMT Vision Award with good reason. It reduces downtime on the pick-and-place machine by 75%. This innovative design is what makes this cart so unique. Pre-stage Job B offline while Job A is running. When Job A is nearing completion, roll the staging station for Job B over to the pick-and-place machine. When Job A stops, simply swap feeder position for feeder position. Typically, the changeover downtime is reduced from an hour to about 15 minutes, about 20 seconds per feeder. See how simple? Use this same process for replenishment of exhausted feeders. For every minute of changeover time that is eliminated, you create additional assembly capacity. One additional hour results in 15% increase in an overall assembly capacity for that line. The Bliss SMT feeder cart and staging station is the smart handling solution for your handling problem.